Now I've got a choice here. I can either put that one here because one of the wires can go that way, one of the wires can go this way. Or I can put it here. One of the wires can go over there, one of the wires can go this way. And you know what? I did some work in here before. I crawled around. It's easier for me to crawl to this location than it is for this location. So guess what that means? I'm just thinking this through as I talk. That means I'm going to put it up in here because it's easier for me to crawl over here because I'm going to make up my box. My next box I have to make up in the ceiling, okay? As I'm laying down on my stomach, on my side, whatever, okay? So I'm ready for the next can. Okay, I'm ready to put that one up now. Okay, I can spaghetti this right up in the ceiling. I'm just going to shove that straight up, and I'll have to do the dirty work up in the ceiling after I get this up there. Okay, and I know that's got to go straight like that because I want it angled that way, right? Okay, oh. I'm going to keep that in mind as I push this in, about like that, and push these up there. Okay, that looks pretty good. Remember, I'm going to get these up as far as I can, and I'm gonna hope that my little screwdriver trick is going to work, which it did last time, right? Okay, hold that up there. Oh yeah, that's the ticket. Pushes it right up nice and tight. Okay, so I'm going to resituate this. I don't mess up my neck, whatever. There it goes. Okay. Hey. You know what? I might have to bend that a little bit. I think it's hitting the joist right over here. I think that's what's happening on the back side of it. I got it up there. You know, I could go up in the ceiling and do it. I'm trying not to have to do that, but if I have to, I can do that. So I'm going to be up there anyways, right? I could pull it back down and resituate it. Let's just see if I can get by without having to do that. There, that one stayed up there. Okay, so this one on this side, wow. Remember, the sheetrock was a little short there. When I cut that, I know how to fix that if I want on this one because it's so close, and I think I may have to on this one. Let's get up here. Yeah. Okay. Not wanting to get down in there. But you remember the joist is right here. What I could do is poke a little hole here and put a sheetrock screw in there. Push this up tight, put a sheetrock screw in there. I may have to do that on this one because it was really brittle along here where the existing electrical junction box was before. I don't want to start trying to smash it too much and snap off the sheetrock here, okay? Alright, I'm going to work on that up in the ceiling. When I get done with that, before I put this trim on, I'm going to drill a little hole here, put a sheetrock. I'm just going to push this up tight, put a little sheetrock screw right there. That'll be fine. That'll fix that. Most of the time you're not going to have that issue though if you're away. So the key is you want to keep away from your joist at least. You know, I went 3/4, but because this one, you remember this one was kind of tight because the junction box was almost up to the joist. Okay, so I made this one less than 3/4 of an inch, and maybe I should not have done that. All right, I'm next ready for the next one, which is that end one there.